Hey everybody, welcome to week 5, module 5. This week we're going to be looking at managing teams and conflict management. So you've probably had a lot of experience working in teams and might have learned a little bit about team development in the past. We know when people come together and become part of a team, doesn't mean they'll automatically work well together. And then when people come together, there's always potential for conflict. So we talked a little bit about conflict in the essentials class. So we'll focus on negotiation this time around. So chapters 9 and 10, so managing groups and teams, conflict and negotiation. And then some materials for the journal this week is about empowering employees. So there's some materials there. So the discussion board this week, I've given you an example that I found about the Mayo Clinic. It's an online kind of case study. There's a lot of different pages to click through. There's videos where they've interviewed people working at the Mayo Clinic. So click through and look around and as much as you want so you can answer these questions. So as early as 1910, Dr. Mayo preached the importance of teamwork. So he'd been doing it for a long time, or they've been doing it for a long time. So questions here: how have they used teamwork? How does it make them more effective? How would you go about selecting people for the team? And how can we learn in business from a hospital? So post your initial response Wednesday and respond to at least 2 other posts. Your written assignment this week is looking at a negotiation. So specifically, the assignment here suggests these are 7 steps to negotiating a higher salary, but go ahead and plan a negotiation that has meaning to you. So maybe you're going to ask for a raise, but maybe you're going to be taking a new job. Maybe you're going to be buying a house. Maybe you're going to be buying a car. So feel free to adapt the assignment to some real negotiation that you're going to be doing. And then finally, the journal for this week, empowering and holding others accountable. So view a clip. So here's an example from Marriott talking about how they empower employees. So note, it's not the entire video. I've picked out just a section of it for you to watch. You can watch the whole thing if you want to. And evaluate Marriott's attempts to empower their employees. Evaluate your own organization. And then look at your own leadership style. Are you empowering others or not? So let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.